And on the strong momentum after the rejection, any pullback you see, anything something like this, a pullback like this, your stop is here now instead of being all the way down, and you take it. Go back test this. Why I would say enter on the 5 minute and wait for a strong candle, strong momentum candle, call them momentum candles. A strong momentum candle after retest of the higher time frame OBs or breaker blocks. You wait for that, because supposedly you're taking the trade at the 2 hour, you're going long, and that is your trade. Your stop is supposed to be under the candle body, okay, and you're targeting, for example, let's say above the wick around here. That's 2 to 1, 2.38 to 1 risk to reward. But if you go to the 5 minute and you targeted the same concept, momentum candle, retrace, and you take it, and that's your risk to reward. But for you to become and see this stuff, you gotta practice this concept.